When it comes to your home's heating and cooling needs, you need a reliable and trustworthy furnace repair company. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we are committed to providing top-notch service and exceptional quality to our customers. Our furnace repair company Burnsville, Minnesota is highly skilled and trained in all aspects of furnace repair and maintenance. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we are committed to providing efficient and energy-saving solutions for your HVAC system. We also offer a wide range of HVAC services, including air conditioning repair, ventilation installation, air duct cleaning, and refrigeration repair. We are your one-stop shop for all your heating and cooling needs. Contact us today to schedule an appointment or to learn more about our services. Who is the best furnace repair company in Burnsville, Minnesota? If you're in need of furnace repair in Burnsville, Minnesota, look no further than Bob Boldt HVAC. As the top furnace repair company in the area, we pride ourselves on providing exceptional service and customer satisfaction. Our goal is to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient all year round. How to tell if your furnace needs repair? If you notice any of the following signs like inconsistent heating, strange noises, increased energy bills, frequent cycling on and off, and poor air quality, it may be time to call a furnace repair company in Burnsville, Minnesota. Our furnace repair company Burnsville, Minnesota specializes in troubleshooting and repairing all types of furnaces, including room heating and cooling systems. What is the service area of Furnace Repair Company Burnsville, Minnesota? Our furnace repair company offers services throughout Burnsville, Minnesota, Apple Valley, Savage, Bloomington, Eagan, Rosemount, Richfield, Prior Lake, Lakeville, Edina, Mendota Heights, Farmington, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Hopkins, and Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota. Where is the Furnace Repair Company Burnsville, Minnesota located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South, Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota, 55337. Our phone number is 651-927-4550. Visit our website at www.bobhvac.com/Burnsville-HVAC.